We are live at 143. That shit makes me laugh every time. And we are battling for Wayne's Bespin loot. 25 spots. That I am going to copy. And take over to random to find us a winner. Find that Luke a new home. 25 spots. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8. So we're good to go. Good luck, folks. Todd, round 1. Peter, round 2. And round 3. Gary, round 4. Mario, round 5. Gary, round 6. Todd, round 7. And our winner is Gary Bleach. And at number 3, congratulations, Gary. Here's the verification code. And our official results, FECTBF. Gary Bleach, number 3 is the winner of Wayne's Bespin Luke. I'm done at 144. There she is. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.